Hi, welcome back. This is Kari Waltz. I'm setting up for portrait work today. I have a pre-drawn sketch with pastels that I did a few days ago, and I'm gonna switch to my phone real quick. And this is my palette that I have set up. This is the base colors that I use to create those skin tones. I have a note of what colors are on my palette to know that when I paint this portrait, if I use all of them, then it'll remain my portrait palette. I'm adjusting some of the colors from some previous portraits that I've done, and then I'll know which ones to leave off. I also, as I created my palette, put each of the colors in a little bin here, little box, so that as I need to reload, I'll have them handy. So sketching in pastel allows me to use the same pigment that is used in oil paint. So as I work with the oil paint on top of this, it's not going to make it look dingy or dull. Another thing that I like about this is after I did my sketch, then I sent it to the client and made sure he approved of the image before I continued on with paint. So follow me, join me, try to paint a portrait, use base colors for the skin tone, and then add other colors to adjust for the light. Keep your colors separate so you don't have to dig through hundreds of tubes to find the ones you're currently working on, and note which ones are on your palette because sometimes we forget. Have a good day.